Bam. Come on,
Why would you
I'm
miss
gonna get
out?
you all in your stomach back.
That shit gonna get stuck.
All in that stomach back.
Oh shit, he almost hit a roll. He almost hit a roll. Oh shit. Your fist gonna get stuck, boy. Shit gonna go bouncing like Majin Buu. Majin Buu.
Goku versus Majin Buu.
Hell no.
Yes, it is Goku versus.
That's the black Majin Buu. Come on when you're hot. That's a Huggy Bear. She gonna need her honey. She say, fuck y'all, I don't wanna give y'all no ride. You ain't gonna give us no ride? So you making us walk?
Would you stop?
He been a little bitch.